happened here? They shriveled up or something. But these definitely bloomed. It's raining, or it's gonna rain, which is kind of weird. And I've heard it's gonna hail / snow. It actually looks pretty happy daisy over there. The clouds are not gray. The clouds are white over here. See, white clouds and black, brown, gray, and white. And over here it gets kind of darker and gloomy. And it's not raining yet. Oh my god! You have way too much fur in your mouth. Echo! Echo! Calm down. Ah, dang. No, don't do stupid things. Don't do stupid things, man. Crazy. Cause they gonna haunt you. They gonna haunt you. You do something stupid. Probably see that I tried picking up the dog. You barely see it because the lighting is all weird, but it's like it's not even concentrating either. Concentrate there. So, one time she bit me, and I got bruised because that bad. She bit me that hard, and she did it again. So there's gonna be a bruise. It's pretty deep. I saw some white. I don't know if that's probably tissue because bones are that white, but I don't think she beat me that deep. So it's probably really tissue. She did bite me that deep, but not to the bone. Like maybe close to the bone, but I washed it off with water because I don't want to put any of that stuff. It's gonna hurt really bad. So I'm just gonna put this on, which already has Neosporin on it, and it's neon. It's gonna be blue. It's gonna look pretty. No, I'm not stupid. Okay. Well, that burns. Oh, the wind's coming in. It's coming in nicely. Let's look at it. The tail, guys. My mom was right. Oh my god, the wind. It feels so good. Let's see if I can not get a reflection. Oh, don't drive out. Your car's gonna get all messed up. Why would you leave right now? You could have left a couple minutes earlier. Some people just want their cars damaged so they can get the, you know, some money. I mean, come on, really, that's your fault. There's the windows. You want to get electrocuted? You can get electrocuted from windows. Oh yeah, that's just an old wives' tale. Yeah, just to get you, just to get you away from playing with the what's called these things. It looks like stars. Falling stars. Falling balls from the sky. And actually, that's weird. It's God's play. I think it's God. God has what? It's God's bouncy balls. They're marbles. You don't bounce. They're God's marbles. Oh shit! Is that lightning? No. Yeah. Apparently, it's worse in the back. Do you like it? Do you like the red? Do you like the red? We're all gonna die. That's what my sister projects. We're all gonna die. That's just how it is. Because, you know, that's just how it is. People die from this. Holy hell, literally! What is she doing? She's like running inside, lady. Get it! Save yourself! This is all hell, little balls. It's not even like, look at mom's car. Oh my god, look, the leaves are just falling. The leaves are falling off? The leaves is all white. It looks like snow, but it's all little balls. They're all little balls of hail. It's not even one clump. It's beginning to look a lot like hell. Look at this guy, he's coming up. Save yourself! What's that? It looks a lot like, it reminds me of Christmas, but like the evil Christmas, like Santa. It's like I don't remember. It's like, what's his, Claus? Crosses? Crocus! Crocus! It's like saying Crocus came early. Holy hell, literally! Holy hell, literally! What's going on? That's exactly what's happening. Look at the mountains, though! Oh, shit! So this is called bipolar weather. Bipolar weather, this is Colorado. This is the first time. Do you still want to come to Colorado? This is your favorite? That's the question I'm asking here. So people keep saying that like Colorado's bipolar. It was hot all day. It was hot all day. 4 o'clock. There's Dad! No, it's not Dad. Dad doesn't have a nice car like that. Dad's car's messed up. Bless you! Bless you! Meanwhile, Colorado. Meanwhile. Oh, it's settling down. It's settling down. It's slowing down now, but look. It's gonna come up a little bit in a couple seconds. Oh my god, they're going so slow now. I kind of don't feel bad for them. You kind of don't? No, because, you know, I suspect. Oh, what color is it supposed to be originally? It looks like it'd be blue. It's supposed to be blue. It's a dark blue. Oh man, that looks doesn't look like it's gonna come off that easily though, because I mean it's already wet as is. Does the tree look bad? So this is what. Oh, look how pretty it looks. Oh, here comes a car. Ooh. Is it the neighbor? That's what that car sounds like. Look at this. This is huge. That is my finger. Size of a nail. Fingernail. I'll grab a whole bunch. Bruce got bigger. She bent it up. I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna try to replace it and I just don't like alcohol, man. That hurts. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry when it touches skin. Look. It has a whole bunch of different band-aids. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 types of band-aids. I'm using the neon. I ended up going for the blue one because the cotton was the only biggest one that would fit, and I could have picked from these, but I already had these out, so I got the neon, the flexible fabric, the waterproof, the clear. So the band-aids. You've been wanting to buy some, and you're like, yes, these are the ones. So it's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay guys, I'm going to bed actually, so I've been spending most of the day animating for the next main channel video, because I've been wanting to animate on that channel. So I'm gonna try to make it as perfect as possible because I really want it to be really good. I know that it's one of my first times, so some parts might look really crappy, but I might have to like edit it and then re-edit it again just to make it look perfect. So it's gonna take a while, but it's getting there, and I think you guys are gonna like it as soon as I'm done, and hopefully I can learn from this and hopefully not take as long, but make sure I do it right. So yeah, about today's video, give it a thumbs up if you're happy or excited for any of these new vlog slash main channel videos. Just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, ring, renew. Remember, the bird always sings in its cage.